Hi, it's Valentine, and today I'm going to be making for you a Valentine beef salad. My name is Chef Ant, and basically, I would run you through the ingredients that I have for you. They're quite simple and easy to be sourced out there. So, I'm going to show you tomatoes, and then if you look right in, you see the garlic, and then you see the onion. So basically what I'm going to do with it is to saute it over on the pan, put it in a blender and crush it, season with salt and pepper, and then allow it to cool off. That's going to be the base for my salad. So it's really going to be interesting. And then that's my beef strips. So all I need to do with this is to season it with salt or pepper, a bit of sesame oil, a bit of soy sauce, and thereafter I will allow it to rest for an hour to 3. The chicken as well, keep it in the fridge for another 3 days. It can stay in the fridge up to 2 days, 1 day or more, depending on how cold your fridge is. So this would help the seasoning to get it into the inside of the beef. So now we're going to make a marinade, basically a dressing for our beef salad. So a bit of soy sauce goes into the bowl. It's very important you use a light soy sauce. Now that's a sesame oil, finely pressed sesame oil, and then chili. This is gonna help it become a little bit spicy, but you can do without it. A little bit of garlic into it, finely chopped garlic. This would help in the flavor of this salad. Now a bit of sugar syrup. Okay, sugar syrup goes in. This would help in the sweetness of the dressing. Last but not the least, always clean at your work. It's very important that you clean so that you always have a clean surface. Hygiene is very important. So in here we have soy, we have sesame oil, we have garlic, and we have chili pepper. So next, I'm gonna grab lemon, fresh lemon juice. An amazing squeeze into it will give you that tangy flavor that you are looking out for. Awesome. Now olive oil goes in, and then you whisk, not really vigorously, but just to incorporate all of the ingredients together. And thereafter you can go on to season with salt and pepper. Here we go. So our cucumber comes in first. This is our shredded cucumber comes in first. I want you to understand that this is quite simple. Tomato next comes in. These are simple ingredients you can always get on the street, but would give you an amazing dish. Onion, you can choose to do without onion depending if you don't really like the smell of onion. Okay, here we go with our lettuce. Finely picked lettuce goes in the inside of it. Now go on and keep a nice chop to that parsley. If you don't have parsley, you can as well use coriander to make this. It's quite simple. Now this goes into your salad. Clean, like I will always say, clean as you work. It keeps your environment clean. Okay. So now we have all of the ingredients in here. So we will start by adding the nuts. Now granite comes in. This is going to give us that sweet flavor. Remember, we have tangy, we have sweet in the inside, and here is our beef, where seasoned, rested for an hour, grilled, and here it is coming into our beef. Another dash of salt in it. Be careful while you add salt because of your soy sauce. A little dash of pepper in it again. Now you incorporate properly incorporate. You don't want anyone to be left behind. You want all of the ingredients to come together. Remember, it's Valentine. Everything has to be simultaneously. Here comes the almighty dressing. Now remember, it's a basic ingredient: garlic, chili pepper, soy, lemon juice, sugar syrup, and here we go. Incorporate properly before you do the final presentation for this. This is super amazing. I'm loving it already, and I'm sure you would love it. I want you to try it. I want you to send me a picture of it, share how you feel about it, and if you have any challenge trying this, just comment on the button below and we will provide you with support on how you can go about it. Now, simple presentation that we have to do. Remember, our tomato, it has a very amazing smoky flavor, so this goes at the base of our salad. This is cold, it is sweet, it's super amazing. Nothing is wrong with having this as a base for salad. I know you may not be used to it, but this is good. I want you to try it, but it has to be cold. Now here comes the beef salad on it. It's simple. Do not forget, because it's beef salad, we need to see the beef. The beef doesn't have to be hidden. Therefore, the beef has to be so clear. Now this won't be the only thing coming on it. There is another thing coming on it. Avocado. I know all of us like avocado. So avocado, it's coming. Now at this point you have to clean. It's very important that you clean your plate always after a presentation. A little bit of granite coming on it again, and then a little bit of the dressing coming on it, and I am going to finish this with an amazing squeeze of lemon juice again. This is delicious. Trust me, it is delicious. Would you want to try this? Don't say tomorrow. Try it today, and you will enjoy it. Would you have any challenge? Comment below, and somebody will be there to assist you on how to make this. Thank you. It's Valentine. Happy Valentine.